This is IOT2050. This is the PLC1200. This is a 24-volt power module. This is a switch. This is an air switch. This is a Siemens touchscreen. This is an environmental sensor. Now we power on. Turn on the air switch. Plug the network cable into the switch. Plug the other end into the computer and then download the program. Click on Devices and Networks. Click the Download button. Click Finish. Click the touchscreen again. Click the Download button. Download the touchscreen program to the touchscreen. Click Finish. At this point, all programs have been downloaded. Open the browser below. Enter 192.168.200.1 in the address line of the browser, 1880. And press Enter. You can enter the programming interface of Node-RED. Create a new browser interface again. Click Enter. You can enter the UI interface of Node-RED. And then you can turn the dial. You can see that there are values on the UI interface to change. Rotate the knob. The value above will change. And the value here will also change. Rotate the knob below. The value here will also decrease. And the value here will also decrease in turn. Turn off all buttons. Click the first button. The light will turn on. The indicator light here will light up. No, one will light up. Close. Turn on this. The indicator light above will flash. The indicator light here will also flash. Turn off the last switch to control the normal light of the light. This switch controls the light to flash. Sequential blinking. Cycle. Double loop. Single lighting. Here is the numerical display of the environmental sensor. Humidity 16%, noise 60. Temperature 24 data will be displayed synchronously to the touchscreen. You get a box with a screw in it that acts as a noise emitter. At this time, the decibels on the UI interface will be displayed synchronously. And this is the light. I just blocked the light detection of the sensor. We'll make the current light value approximately 0. Meanwhile, the light here will also be a small value. Then I lift my hand, and the value here will return to normal. This is the measured value of atmospheric pressure, carbon dioxide, and oxygen. The value below is the measured value of dangerous gas. It shows the distribution of various dangerous gases and its current content.